This week on Tech Talk, if you are using Office 365 for your email, or OneDrive, or SharePoint, or Office 365 in general, your data is not being backed up. And this isn't some marketing bollocks about me trying to get new customers in. Please just pay attention. If you are using Office 365, your data is not being backed up unless you're paying someone else to back it up for you. So yes, once again, on this, what I hope to be a 2-minute Tuesday, if you read the terms and conditions when you sign up to Office 365, when you subscribe to their services, it explicitly states in them that they are not responsible for backing up your data. What Microsoft does do for you is that they have a 30-day retention period for your email. With SharePoint, I think it's something like 14 days. It might be 30 days, I'm not too sure, but I'll correct that on the screen if need be. And what that means is that if you deleted some data, then you can recover something from the last 30 days. But that doesn't protect you from ransomware attacks. It doesn't protect you from any data that's been lost more than 30 days ago. It's something you should probably take care of. And you're probably already aware that backups is a huge part of your business. If you lost your data, then you have a very, very big problem on your hands. And most people got the servers, they've got the data, making sure the data's backed up. But with Office 365, there is no backup. To my knowledge, Microsoft themselves, with Office 365, don't offer like an add-on. You can't pay an extra 50p or a few pounds a month to back up your Office 365 data, other than getting into some complex Azure backup services with other various things. But you need to put something in place to make sure your data's backed up. Short one this week. Hopefully that was the 2-minute Tuesday. That's all for this week. Talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.